Hi and welcome to Eden. I'm Kenneth. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. It's the Commune AI wallet. Let's get to it. Now, start Chrome. You can also use Firefox if you want to, and the same steps will apply. Go to wallet.communeai.org. We don't have any wallet extension installed, so we need to do that first. Click on Connect Wallet. Now for this tutorial, we're going to use the polka.js extension. So go ahead and click on polka.js. Click on Download for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. Now let's just close this one. You can pin the extension for easier access if you want to. Open the extension, read this welcome text if you want to, and click Understood and let me continue. We already have a couple of keys that we have created and we're going to import them. Now, if you want to know how to create a new wallet, just watch this tutorial. Click on the plus symbol and then import account from pre-existing seed. Paste in your seed and click Next. Now give the account a name, type in your password twice, and then click on Add the account with supplied seed. So, I'm going to add a second account and I'm just going to fast forward through that one so you don't have to watch it, all right? Now, before you can continue, you need to reload the page. Now, this will initiate the wallet for you, as you can see here. Now, select the wallet set you want to use and click Connect Accounts. All right, so we're going to start with Send. Click on Send. Now, we of course need an address to send to. So we're going to use the second wallet that we added to the polka.js extension before. All right, so let's go up, open up the extension and copy that address. Now add the address that you want to send to here, add the amount, click on Submit, enter your password and sign the transaction. Now transfer in progress, and now transfer successful. Next, we have Receive. Now you can click on the copy button here and you can click on the receive button. They both do the same thing. They just copy the address for you. Now, before we continue, let's just reload the page to make sure we have the latest balance. Now it's time to stake. So just click on the stake button. Now we need something to stake to, of course, and they have made this very easy for you. Just click on validators. Now let's just pick the ComSci validator. Now when you select the validator from the list, it will automatically enter the correct NetUID for you. Now enter the amount that you want to stake, click Submit, enter your password and sign the transaction. So the transaction has started and now staking in progress and we're done. Nice and simple. Let's just reload the page quick. All right, let's move on. Click on Unstake. Now click on List of Staked Validators. Now from here you can click View All, and this will bring you to ComStats, and this will give you a really good overview of all current validators. But for now, let's just select validator. Enter the amount, click Submit, enter your password, and sign the transaction. And when it's done, you can reload the page. And last, we have Transfer Stake. Now from here, you can transfer stake from one validator to another validator. So go ahead, click on Transfer Stake. Now click on List of Staked Validators. Now first, we select the validator that we want to send from. All right, so select the key and you can cut it, paste it into the From Validator field, click on List Staked Validators again, select the validator you want to transfer to, enter the amount, click Submit, enter your password and sign the transaction. And transfer in progress, and transfer successful. And there you go. You now know how to use the Commune AI wallet. Well, that's all for today. Take care and stay wonderful. Peace.